Hey, I'm Steve, and these are the ONEINMIL nightstands with charging stations. These feature the barn doors, and it's a two-piece set. Installation on these tables was easy. It was clear and concise directions. The first table probably took me 30 minutes or so, and the second table took much less time. After I put these together, one of the first things I noticed is these things are solid. These have some weight to them. You're going to appreciate the fact that this is sturdy furniture. You can also install these barn doors either way with a handle on either side. These tables have that farmhouse look, and when I got them all put together, my wife just fell in love with them. The tops feature a wood grain look. I think it looks very nice. Let me give you some close-ups. Here's a side view of the table. I think these would look nice in any room in your home. Let me spin this one table around so you can see a back view. Of course, you've got your two outlets and USB chargers there, which is very convenient. And then your electrical cord comes right out that hole in the back and plugs into the wall. Let me show you how my wife is using these tables. We have a mother-in-law suite downstairs, and that's a small sleeper sofa. She's using these tables beside it, and it really looks nice. I'm going to say that these tables are wife approved. We like them, and I think you will too. So if you're watching this, I hope you found my video helpful.